Filmora Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Filmora Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll break down the key details of the Filmora Affiliate Program, including its commission structure, benefits, and who it's best suited for. If you're interested in joining, check out the links in the description to get started. Filmora, developed by Wondershare, is a user-friendly video editing software that caters to both beginners and professionals. It offers a wide range of tools, including drag-and-drop editing, built-in effects, transitions, and AI-powered features like auto cuts and audio enhancement. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or business presentations, Filmora provides a smooth editing experience without requiring advanced skills. The Filmora Affiliate Program allows content creators, bloggers, and digital marketers to earn commissions by promoting this popular software. Affiliates can earn up to 30% commission per sale, making it a lucrative option compared to other video editing software programs. The program operates on a cookie duration of 30 days, meaning you'll still earn a commission if a referred user makes a purchase within that period. One of the standout features of this affiliate program is its global appeal. Filmora is available in multiple languages and supports both Windows and Mac OS, which broadens your potential audience. Affiliates also receive access to marketing materials, including banners, landing pages, and tracking tools to optimize their promotions. The program is managed through reliable affiliate networks like Impact and Share a Sale, ensuring transparency and timely commission payouts. This affiliate program is ideal for YouTubers, bloggers, tech influencers, and digital marketers who create content related to video editing, content creation, or online business tools. Since Filmora offers a free trial, it's easy to attract potential customers and increase conversion rates. Overall, the Filmora Affiliate Program is a great opportunity for anyone looking to earn commissions by promoting a high-demand, beginner-friendly video editing tool. If you're ready to start earning, check the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.